This is the 6th lecture in the series on the presence of Black people in the Bible. In this discourse, the focus is on Mary and Jesus. Mary, also called Madonna. Why is Mother Mary called Madonna? The term Madonna, which comes from the Italian name meaning Our Lady, is a title of respect for the Virgin Mary, commonly applied to works of art, especially those images that feature mother and infant, known as Madonna and child. These images are central icons for both the Catholic and the Orthodox or mainstream churches. Jesus is the second person in the Trinity of God. He is God as much as the Father and the Holy Spirit are God. He works in association with God and the Holy Spirit. God is not a human being. He is incorporeal, not composed of matter, having no material existence. God is neither male nor female. He is neither black nor white. He is spirit, and he is not bound by legalities of space and time. Every time when God occupies some place or ground anywhere in the world, that ground becomes a zone of timelessness and holiness. There has never been a time when Jesus did not exist. In the past eternity, he was always with God. Before man was brought into being, he was with God. Before the beginning began to begin, he was with God. When humanity sinned, Jesus chose to pay for the sins of mankind. He was incarnated in order to become our final propitiation and reconcile humanity back to him. The Spirit of God chose Mary to give birth to Jesus in order to save the world. Mary and Jesus were dark-skinned persons. Here are some artifacts from the museum in Russia depicting Mary and Jesus as dark-skinned persons. I am astonished by the following artifacts from the Russian Museum. The Pope and Orthodox leaders praying to a Black Mary and Jesus, which we are not accustomed to seeing in the public domain. Frantz Fanon says, open quote, sometimes people hold a core belief that is very strong. When they are presented with evidence that works against that belief, the new evidence cannot be accepted. It would create a feeling that is extremely uncomfortable, called cognitive dissonance. And because it is so important to protect the core belief, they will rationalize, ignore, and even deny anything that doesn't fit with the core belief. Close quote. Here are some of the pictures that we will talk about on our next lecture. Adam and Eve and the Garden of Eden. Keturah, the second wife of Abraham. The Lemba Jewish tribe. The pictures that you are about to see are of Black Hebrews from the Lemba tribe who are largely found in the Limpopo province, whose ancestry is linked to South Yemen in Saudi Arabia. The picture on the screen is of a deceased Lemba patriarch. His name was Petrus Nzigana Ndobada. The next picture is of the late Freddy Mabungu Chidada of the Lemba tribe from Limpopo. These 4 pictures are of the late Ramunenyiwa brothers, who are also black Jews from the Lemba tribe. The last picture is of the late Bumatamera Ndobada Chidada, who is from the Lemba tribe also. As I close, once more, the Bible was written by black people.